Suppose you don't have neon butterfly keyboard, first you have to go to in Play Store, search there emoji keyboard pro. There is emoji keyboard pro is like this. Install it. Look, it is installed now. Then open it. It is loading. Now swipe to activate. You will see the ads. Touch on now, swipe ad and cancel the ad. The enabled keyboard. Okay, touch on enable keyboard. New emoji keyboard 2016 enable. Now swipe again. Then activate new emoji keyboard. Then swipe again and check the theme which do you want, or go and now it is activated. Okay, keyboard has been activated already. Say no to theme, then you will get their themes. If you are not able to find your theme here, so again go back to the Play Store and type their neon butterfly keyboard and touch on it and install it. Now it is installed again. Open it. Then it will load.
Alo Tam.
It is loading. Then swipe to begin. Cancel the ad and activate theme. Cancel the ad and activating your theme, and it is activated already. Cancel them and go back to the previous menu and go at home, and then your keyboard is being activated already.